Once in a while, a property comes to the market where the opportunities are remarkable. This is a 3-bedroom family home on a large plot with potential to extend 2 stories to the side, 2 stories to the rear and into the loft. There's also a detached double garage which offers amazing conversion potential. Coming to the market for the first time in nearly 50 years, this house is a huge opportunity to design and build your dream family home. Welcome to Kenilworth Close. Ideally positioned on the south side of Borehamwood, you're just over a mile from Elstree and Borehamwood Station and under a mile to the High Street. For families, you're within the catchment area for some of the most popular schools in Borehamwood. If you're looking for an opportunity to build your dream home in a great location, please give me a call to come and take a look.